At Help at Your Home, we provide compassionate and professional home care to support your independence and well-being. We do more than provide care. We build lasting relationships. Our caregivers become like family, sharing laughter, joy, and meaningful moments with our clients. Looking for compassionate and professional home care? We provide personalized support to help seniors and individuals maintain their independence with dignity. We help clients stay active and independent with gentle movement and mobility support, ensuring their well-being every day. Caregivers engage with clients, helping with daily tasks, providing companionship, and offering health assistance. From personal care to meal preparation, medication reminders, and emotional support, our dedicated team is here to enhance your quality of life. Help at Your Home has been an absolute godsend for our family. Karen. I wholeheartedly recommend their services to anyone seeking top-quality home health care. The caregivers are not only highly skilled and professional, but also incredibly warm and empathetic. They took the time to understand our needs and provided personalized care that made a world of difference. Joseph. The level of dedication and genuine concern for their clients is truly remarkable. They took care of our mother for a number of years. They were very sensitive to the particular wants and needs of our mother, and for us, they were the best way to care for our mother at her home. And they were always accommodating to our specific needs. Caregiving isn't just a job, it's a bond. We cherish the friendships we form, ensuring every client feels valued, engaged, and cared for. We're more than caregivers, we're family. Our compassionate care makes a real difference in the lives of those we serve.